In modern real estate, digital infrastructure is now as critical as physical location. The global PropTech market grew to $18 billion in 2022, signaling a massive migration toward digital-first property management. Over 97% of homebuyers now use the internet during their search, and the vast majority do so on a smartphone. Without a mobile-optimized presence, an agency is effectively invisible to the modern market. To bridge this gap, firms are commissioning custom applications, with price tags ranging from $30,000 to $350,000. This level of investment is required to support features like real-time multiple listing service feeds and high-fidelity 3D property tours. A feature-rich application has become a high-cost barrier to entry, a mandatory survival mechanism for firms that want to remain competitive. But the most common outcome of a launch is silence. The code is delivered on time and the interface is clean, yet the app yields 0 downloads and 0 qualified leads. This failure stems from the pure play development model. Most agencies specialize only in technical delivery. Once the product is deployed to the App Store, their involvement ends. This creates a brutal financial trajectory. Capital expenditure spikes to cover the build, while user acquisition stays at 0. A sophisticated piece of software is an expensive liability if it exists in a vacuum where no one can find it. Avoiding the app graveyard requires a change in production logic. Software engineering and marketing strategy are not separate phases. They must function as a single recursive process. GrowRankers established their presence in the U.S. market, specifically to address the gap between a finished product and a growing user base. Their model merges PropTech engineering with digital growth marketing, ensuring the product is designed to attract users while it is being coded. Technically, this is achieved through cross-platform frameworks like React Native. It allows for a unified codebase that serves both iOS and Android users simultaneously, keeping the development timeline efficient. This approach results in a digital growth engine, a tool built to do more than just function. It is built to rank and convert. This engine uses parallel production. While developers write core code, strategists simultaneously build discovery mechanisms. The architecture is engineered SEO-friendly from the first line, letting algorithms crawl data efficiently. This App Store optimization is baked into the foundation, ensuring it ranks for buyer search terms. Once a user arrives, the app employs automated retention tools. Personalized push notifications regarding price reductions or new listings are used to bring users back into the search environment. Every interaction is linked to a CRM system, automatically capturing leads and routing them to agents to ensure no inquiry is lost. In this model, every technical feature is reverse engineered to serve a specific business goal, driving initial discovery, powering lead generation, and ensuring eventual conversion. The assumption that a real estate app is a one-time project is a costly error. Deployment is only the beginning of the lifecycle. Success requires constant refinement. This includes continuous A/B testing of the interface, ongoing search optimization, and targeted ad campaigns to keep the user pipeline full. GrowRankers functions as a long-term partner in this cycle, using real-time user analytics to inform both code updates and fresh marketing pushes. As market conditions shift, this data-informed optimization allows a real estate firm to adapt their digital strategy without starting from scratch. Building and growing the app as a single initiative changes the return on investment. It transitions a traditional agency from a transaction-based business to a digital platform model. A platform model generates capital through premium agency placements, recurring agent subscriptions, and automated lead referral fees. Ultimately, the value of an application is determined by how many people find it. A growth-focused partner ensures that your investment in code results in a measurable advantage in the market.